on the Totnes 1 mile walk. I've seen a seal today, but he's gone, which I think is quite unusual to see him this far down the river. I could be wrong. If I am, put it in the comments. Really, I should prove I've just done the 1 mile. I've just gone past the sign. Just seen some paddle boarders and kayakers go by. It's nice and calm out there today. I think the tide's maybe going out at the moment. This is where the river widens. And on some days you can actually catch a ferry down. I think I've just spotted a fishy. Could be wrong. Could be a shark, but I doubt it. But yeah, there's plenty of mullets in here apparently. I think I've seen a couple of them today as well. I just want to jump up, but missed it as usual. But well worth coming to see and do this little walk if you're around this way. For you camper fanners out there, fan campers even, I think there is a camping spot down here somewhere, and if I get a chance to see it, I'll find out. If it's a 24-hour stay, I'll let you know. Hang on, I might have just seen a seal again. Let's see if I can find him. Okay, and that could have been just a very big fish. No, it's a fish. But yeah, you can go all the way up here, obviously, and it leads to Dartmouth. I don't think the boat's actually running today, I'm not sure. But if you know when they do, can you leave a comment? I'm not going to walk back along the riverway because I'll just show you a bit of this back way first. It's really pretty around here. I think it is a bit of a nature reserve as well. Just so nice. Right, I'll head back towards the river. Obviously there are longer hikes you can do around here. You can hike all the way to Dartmouth. Because it's slightly cooler today, the mile walk seems quite easy, to be honest. It's quite accessible as well. I think you could get along here in a wheelchair if need be. And here we go. Let's see if we can spot a seal anywhere. So if I can find out about this car park down here. I'm not sure if it's a 24-hour stay, but it might be. And if I stop filming before I get to it, I'll leave a comment letting you know. If you haven't been to Totnes, it's located near Peyton, but well worth a visit. They have a really nice market, which I believe is on a Friday and Saturday. And there's also a castle. You've also got Pomeroy Castle up the road. So there's plenty to see and do around here. If you've got a kayak or paddleboard, obviously it's ideal. Today is just right for this walk. Like I say, it's a bit cooler. I think we're only maybe 21, 22 degrees at the moment. If I went paddleboarding, I would certainly need one of these. I would like to give it a go. I'm just coming down to the harbour bit. It's a nice little harbour down here. Yeah, the tide's definitely going out, and I can tell because the bank on the other side of the river's just starting to show. And still was going upstream, so obviously following the tide. Not so busy today, which is nice. I should imagine during the weekends it's absolutely heaving down here. Just surrounded by a really pretty countryside. Like I say, there are much longer hikes. I've seen one on YouTube myself where you can go, well, I'm assuming on the other side. There must be a really good hiking trail. When I am out on my walk, I will look out for you van campers to see if I see any 24-hour parking anywhere where they let you stay, because I know they're getting a bit tight over here in the UK. And I'll leave it in the comments if I find out, because I'm just going to be there in a couple of minutes. Bye for now.